Okay, let me just remove this. I feel like I look really weird. Okay, no, I like this. I feel like it matters. So yes. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I know I'm giving you guys grandma vibes because I'm in my grandma mood. Okay, don't judge me. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a 2-strand twist. I've made a video of how to flat twist. I'm going to put a link. I think it's here. If I'm wrong, oh my god, it's going to be so funny because I'm going to put a link to the video of how to flat twist and also how to braid your natural hair. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do a 2-strand twist. So if you guys need me to do any like form of how-to videos, just let me know in the comment section below, okay? Okay, so we're going to start with the video. Yes, I'm in my grandma vibes, you know. I'm about to teach you guys some, you know. Okay, I'm not teaching. Whatever you see underneath this bonnet, just go with it, okay? Go with it, cause okay. Bruh. This is my hair from probably 3 days or 4 days of a high puff. I had exams. I could not handle my hair. I didn't have time. I didn't have time for it. So I just put it in a puff. Whenever I'm going out, I just, you know, fluff it out and tie it in the puff. And that's what I was doing throughout last week or throughout this week. So I'm just going to take out this shoelace and then we're going to start with the video. Okay? Ooh. Ooh. That felt so good, so good. Honestly, can you guys see how tangled my hair is? I feel so sorry for myself when I'm about to wash it. I really feel sorry for myself, but right now I'm just going to spray my hair with water because it seems really dry, or it seems dry a bit. So I moisturized it, like not really moisturized. I just spray water and then apply my shea butter mix and then my oil as well. So I do that like whenever I'm trying to repuff or put my hair in a puff again. Now I'm going to spray my hair with water and then I'm going to section the parts I'll be teaching you guys with or showing you guys. Okay, now my hair feels way better, like way better than it felt 2 minutes ago. So I'm going to start twisting my hair. So first off, I'm just going to section a part I'm going to use. Now I'm going to start twisting my hair. For a 2-strand twist, obviously you need 2 strands of hair because like the name says, 2-strand twist. Now I'm going to section this part into 2. I've sectioned it in 2 sections. I'm going to start twisting my hair now. So for a beginner, for someone who has no idea on how to twist, when you're twisting, all you do is just roll each strand over each other. So I'm going to show you guys here. As a beginner, this is for a beginner. What you do is you roll each strand over each other. You don't have to get worried about anything. Just roll each strand over each other and that's how you make a loose twist. As you can see, I'm just rolling. So yes, this is it. It's not very neat, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. That's how you like can learn or begin to learn how to make a 2-strand twist. So now I'm going to show you guys how to actually make the 2-strand twist. I'm just going to section another part of my hair. This is another section I just made. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually twist the hair, like make it tighter a bit. This one I just showed you guys how to roll over each other, the basic twisting method. I'm going to show you guys how to twist tightly. So always try to make your parts even. Always try to make your parts even, because if your parts are not even, your twist is just going to look like it has kwashiorkor. So we don't want that. We want our twist to look nice. Okay, so I'm just going to detangle my hair a bit and then spray a little bit of water and detangle it more and then come back and continue with the video. Alright, now that I'm done detangling my hair and I've sprayed a little bit of water, I'm going to divide it in 2 sections like I mentioned earlier. So now I have 1 and 2 sections. So when I'm done making the section, I'm going to grab it at the root. So you grab each strand with your thumb and your index finger, and then make sure your middle finger is available to grab the other hair. You'll see what I mean. So now I'm grabbing it with my index finger and thumb like so, and then the rest of my fingers are free. So I'm going to set my left hand middle finger ready to grab the hair at the right hand. So this is what I'm just going to twist that over and grab it with my middle finger and index finger of my left hand. I'm going to grab the strand of hair that my left hand was initially holding. I'm going to grab that and take it with my right hand. This strand was the one with my right hand, and the one on my right hand was what my left hand was holding. So I'm just going to continue doing that. So you hold it, you twist a bit, and then you grab the hair like so, and then you use your right hand to grab the one the left hand was holding. You transfer the one you just turned to your index finger and thumb. So now you're back to this. So I'm just going to show you guys once again. You grab and you collect. So you hold. So you twist, you transfer, you hold, then you collect and transfer. Twist, transfer, collect and hold. Twist, transfer, collect and hold. Twist, transfer, collect and hold. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like in slow motion without me talking. Now that I'm done with this, you can see this is what it looks like. You can see the difference between this and this. The fact that I held it tight and I was twisting it, that was what made the difference. When you're trying to make a twist, you hold it firmly, not tight. You're not trying to pull your hair out of your scalp, please. I'm sure you guys got a hang of it. So I'm just going to do one more in the front section. So yes, now I've detangled my hair and I've sprayed water on it, so it's just, you know, easier to work with. Now I'm going to separate my hair into 2 strands. Like I mentioned earlier, try to make the strands equal. Not equal, like close to being equal. These are my strands. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it firmly like I mentioned earlier, and then you transfer it to this. My left hand index finger and thumb is holding one strand, and then my middle finger and index finger are both holding the second strand of hair. So I'm going to take the one on my index finger and thumb. So I'm just going to take that and then hold it. So now I'm holding it with my index finger and thumb, twist it and transfer, collect, twist. So this is what my hair is looking like. You can see these two are similar, and then this it's not similar at all. It's not even close to being like the other one. So yes, that's it. So I really do hope that makes sense. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this video gave you some tips on how to twist your hair. If you would like to see how to flat twist your hair, I have a video up on my channel. I'm going to link it. I think I've linked it, or I'm going to link it in the description box below. So please check it out. So I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow.